my KSET and COMEDK 2025 aspirants. So now all of you will be entering to a very important process, that is the counseling process. Now here those students have secured very good rank. They will definitely be getting very good branch in a very good college. There is no doubt in that. Now there will be some students who have performed really bad in the exam and they will be getting a worst branch in a worst college, or I'll say bad branch in a bad college. For them also it is of no tension. But there are certain students who have not performed extremely bad but not although the toppers. For them the confusion arises that whether we should choose a top college with an average branch or an average college with a top branch. What we should prefer? Should we think about the branch first before the college, or should we consider, okay, is it RV college even if I'm getting automobile engineering or some mechanical civil engineering which are not in that demand, so whether I should be going for that, or I should take RNS or Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering with computer science branch. So just a comparison I'm giving. So whether to choose branch or to college. So let me tell you, there is no clear cut answer for this, that okay, this you have to choose or this you have to choose. It is not like that. It depends on lot of scenario, what college you are getting, what branch you are choosing, what is your passion, what is your location, where the college is located. So there are so many factors on which this decision will depend. So it is not a black and white answer, but it is a mix of things, and you have to judge it properly. Okay, so that is what this video comes today. I'll be telling you on which cases you should be considering, or you should be giving more priority to branch, and in which cases you should be giving more priority to the college. Okay, let's get started here. So in this video or in this session, we'll be talking about understand the dilemma, what is the problem generally here. Next, when to prefer branch over college, in what conditions. When to prefer college over branch, I'll be telling you the scenario there. What smart students should do. Okay, that we will discuss. And lastly, a quick decision making guide. So I'll give you certain questions on that. If you answer, and then you can decide whether to choose branch or college. Okay, so let's move forward with the first thing, that is understanding the dilemma here. So whether to give more priority to branch, choosing your favorite subject even in a lower ranked college, should that be the preference, or college first, choosing a reputed college even if it is not your preferred branch. Why this decision actually matters? Now see, this one decision will shape your 4 years and then possibly your career. Many of the students, what they choose during the after their 12th, which career, which branch they choose, many of them get placed or their career in that particular branch. So whatever decision you make now, that is going to affect your next 4 years and maybe your life after that also. So it is very crucial to take this decision properly, wisely, with proper information. That is what I'll be giving you in this particular video. Okay, now moving forward, when to prefer branch over college, right? If you are very passionate about your about a particular branch, I can tell you, mechanical, although it is not that trending branch at this point, like the technical branches like CS, ECE are more popular, are more demand, but I have seen certain students who are so much passionate about mechanical branches. Okay, so I'll just tell you, when we go to the college and when they study the mechanical subjects, they find it so interesting, they find it so passionating, they want to continue in the mechanical branches, especially the students who have special love for physics. Okay, or suppose for example, you are someone who wants to work in the core field, you are not interested in this software, IT, regular, where there is so much already crowd. You want to be in somewhere where there is less crowd, which has more meaning for you. So that is the difference. If you are very passionate, okay, about a particular branch, then definitely go for branch. What is the reason for this? When you are passionate about something, you will definitely find a way. You will be passionate, so you will be doing extra courses by your own. You don't need to, nobody need to force you for that. You will upskill yourself, you will yourself find where all internships are there, what are the best companies there. You yourself will do when you are having passion about a particular branch or a particular subject. Okay, that I have seen in students. Next, you have long term career goals in that domain. So for example, if you have very very clear that you want to work as a marine engineer. Okay, you want your life in your as a marine engineer, you want to experience that ship life. So that is what suppose your uh, passionate, your long term goal is there. Or for example, suppose you are very very much excited about the vehicles, their parts, how they are constructed, automobile engineering. Okay, this is something which is you are really passionate about, and you want to work in that particular field in the future. Then you need to choose the branch. Third thing, you are willing to work hard and build your profile regardless of the college name. You know that if you are having passion, there is opportunity, right? There is no difference in opportunities on the basis of college. Okay, if you are skilled, you will be getting a very good opportunity even if you are not from a very good college. And nowadays there are thousands of ways to upskill yourself even if you are not from a very reputed college. So you can definitely upgrade yourself, upgrade your knowledge, find your own opportunities and go for a very good career even if your college doesn't have that reputation. So the point is that even if you don't get a very good college, if you are very passionate about that branch, if you are very much clear about your long term career goals, and if you are ready to work hard, to struggle for some time to get a very good career, then definitely branch should be your first preference. Okay, so for example, if you love coding and want to go into software, doing CS from a mid tier college might still land you a great job with the right skills. Okay, so if you're getting computer science in some lower colleges, for example, Bangalore Institute of Technology or some other Dr. Ambedkar Institute. So there are certain colleges which are not very popular. But if you are having that very good interest, highly passionate about your subject, then you can definitely choose branch. Now let's talk about those students when you need to prefer college over the branch. So here is you want better infrastructure, placements and peer group. You want your college life, campus life to be very very I can say very good campus life. You want very good friends around you, because when you have a very big college, you get students from all over the country there, right? And you get a very good cultural exposure, very good facilities are there. So if these things matter to you, your 4 years of campus life, 4 years of college life should be full of exploration, should be full of adventure, should be full of new things, then definitely college is the thing that you should prefer. And many next thing, you are open to branch chase, interdisciplinary learning and non-core careers. Means uh, you are ready. Suppose today you have gotten admission in ECE branch, but you are ready to learn coding and go to computer science. Or if you are ready to learn about certain networking system and you want to do management system later. So when you, if you are ready to study interdiscipline, you are not very much think that yeah, I have to do only this particular career. You are not like that. You are flexible with any career. You can learn any of the skills. Then definitely college is something which is more important. Next, top colleges definitely gives you top recruiters even for non-core branches. Now, for example, in RV college, for computer science, suppose 100 companies will come. It will not happen that in mechanical 0 companies will come. In mechanical may not be 100, 50 companies will definitely come. But the same mechanical branch which is now not in that popular or now not that much in demand, if you take that in some lower colleges, the placement opportunities becomes 1 to 2 company now, right? So if you are someone who can learn different skills, okay, who can upgrade yourself, that doesn't matter whether college is like you don't have a very very particular dream that you want your life to be according to this, it is flexible, then college is something which you can prefer. Okay, so for example, getting ME mechanical engineering in a top college like RVC or BMSC could still get you a job in software or management roles. Now how do this happen? Generally, even now the placement companies also knows that students learn a lot of skills, right? Even though they are not from a particular branch, they upgrade themselves with different skills. So generally most of the companies come and they keep the placements open for all the students for all the branches. Okay, I myself is from NIT and I have seen this. there were certain companies who were giving opportunity to students from all the branches. Although it was a software company, but it is not that it is only for computer science or ECE students. It is not like that. It was open for all the students. Even from mechanical students can sit in the interview and were getting placed if they had that particular knowledge, right? So that is, the companies also know this, and most of the companies now open their placement opportunities for all the branches. So that is where, even if you are from mechanical and you are ready to learn the skills, you can get a very good job. Okay. So my summary here is, I'll tell, if you are someone who has no specific branch, no passion about a particular branch, if that is not there, then prefer to college. But if you're very, very particular that you want computer science, you want to be a software developer, you want to be an automobile engineer, you want to be a mechanical engineer, if you're very, very particular about this, then choose the branch, because if you have passion for that branch, you will definitely go ahead. Okay, there's no doubt in that. Now coming to next thing, what the smart students can do, right? So here are some important tips that I'll be telling you. You have to evaluate both the things, that can I get my desired branch in a decent college. You should not go to very low college. You should try some mediocre colleges. Can you get your desired branch in that? Okay, that's the first thing. Next, looks for flexibility. Is there a branch change option? Many a times what happens when the counseling process is over, if the seats are not filled, students are given an option to change their branch based on the rank. So just look for those colleges where there is an option for change of branch. Okay, that is a very good opportunity where you can crack. Next, focus on future prospect, where you see yourself after 4 years. Whether if you are very, very rigid, or I'll say very confident or very passionate about one particular job role, then definitely you have to go for branch. Okay. Next, learn about the placement statistics, faculty and industrial exposure. Okay, so you should know when you're choosing of a particular college, it's not that randomly choose any college if you're getting the branch. Just have a look about the placement structure, especially you talk to the seniors, the alumni network of that particular college. How was the placement, what opportunities they got, what internships were there, how the faculties are they supportive or not. Just try to interact with the students already studying in those colleges. This will help you to have a network, have to get an understanding about the opportunities that you will get in that particular college, right? Next, you have to make a priority matrix. The two things are very clear. If you are very passionate about a particular subject, then prefer branch. If unsure or career path is flexible, you are not, okay, you are fine with any job, okay, anything you can do, then prefer college, right? Now I'll tell you a quick decision guide. Here are some questions that you need to ask yourself, and then I'll be telling whether you need to choose branch or college according to that. So for example, as I said, if you are passionate about a particular subject, then definitely choose branch. Okay, passionate means hardcore passionate. Next, if you are confused about the career, you are thinking like, okay, whichever job I'll get more salary, I'll more package, I'll choose that. I don't have completely like I have to do this. Like for example, if I tell about myself, okay, I was very, very sure that in future I will be teaching in some field. Okay, I was not knowing for which exam, but I was very sure that I want to do teaching, right? So irrespective of that, I wanted that teaching should be there and no other career options I wanted, right? So that was very clear in my mind. Similarly, if you are very clear that you want to do mechanical engineer, software engineer, or if you're very clear about the career, then go for branch. But at the same time, I have seen my friends who were like, chalo, we'll join something, whatever it comes, we will do. Okay, we can upskill ourselves, we can learn new things, we can adjust to different environment, and we can do whatever job comes to us. Right, that type of students are also there. Then select a good college. Third question, you want top placements and networking. You want that the best companies should come to your college. Okay, you cannot search colleges. You know, nowadays college placements are not the only way for placements. There are different internship programs, there are different offline recruitments, right? So walk-in interviews are also going on. So you are not someone who can do this much research and all. You want a good company should come to my college. Then obviously you have to select college in that case. Fourth one, you want a core job in a specific field. As I said, you are not flexible about any job. You want one particular job in your core field, then definitely branch is the thing that you should prefer. Next, you are open to non-core roles also, then you can select college, right? Okay, so just answer these questions and then definitely you can find out whether whether you should prefer college more or branch more. Okay, fine. Next, yes. So students, that's all in this video, and I hope this video would have been helpful for you to decide whether you need to prefer a particular branch or a particular college. You can put down your comments that with which branch or which college you are willing to join, and any other videos that you want at this point of time. We will also be making videos on those topics. Okay, so all of you are welcome to comment down your desires. We will be fulfilling it. So thank you for watching and do subscribe the channel.